I'm Johnny and welcome to View to a Grill. Today we're doing a comparison video. We're going to do a smoked bacon cheeseburger on the Weber kettle and a grilled bacon smash burger on the Camp Chef flat top. Now this was a pretty difficult video to shoot, cooking on the flat top and the Weber kettle at the same time by myself, trying to time it to where these hamburgers are done at the same time. It was a little bit of a challenge, but we got it done. First, let's get the fire started in the charcoal chimney starter for the Weber kettle. To get started on the Weber kettle, I'm going to smoke the bacon. We're going to use 2 chunks of hickory wood and a full charcoal chimney starter of Kingsford Blue. It's going to take a while for the bacon to get done, so while the bacon is on, I'm going to get the Camp Chef flat top preheated. I'll just start the Camp Chef out on low. I like to start it out on low when I'm doing bacon, because if the Camp Chef flat top griddle is too hot, the bacon will tend to curl up, and I want to try to keep my bacon as flat as possible. I'm able to accomplish that by frying the bacon on a low heat. Let's go check the smoked bacon on the Weber kettle. Render as much fat out of the bacon as you like. You may want to take this to crispy. I like chewy bacon, so I'm going to take mine off now. And the same thing with the Camp Chef. I prefer my bacon a little bit chewy, so I'm going to take this to a point of my liking and then remove that also. For this cook, I'm using 80/20 ground beef, and I've already formed my patty for the Weber kettle, and these 2 balls are going to be for the Camp Chef. Now my thinking is that the thicker patty for the Weber kettle is going to take a little bit more time. I'm just going to use the cool zone, hot zone technique, where I'm going to mark the burger on both sides, move it to the cool zone, and close the lid. This is going to allow the burger to cook indirectly until I get it to about a medium to medium well doneness. All right, so let's get the lid closed, and while that's finishing up, let's go to the Camp Chef flat top. I'm using a piece of wax paper in between the meat and the spatula and one of my barbecue towels. I'll just press on the spatula until I get to the thickness I like. Now I like to really smash these and get them so thin that you can see through them. And that way the cheese gets to melt all within the patty. And the cheese on the bottom will actually get some crispiness from melting onto the Camp Chef flat top. I'm seasoning those with my homemade SPG plus onion powder rub. And if you haven't seen that, I will put a link in the card above. Now, while these 2 patties are getting a lot of nice caramelization on the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Weber kettle and put 2 pieces of white American cheese on my burger. We'll get the lid closed and head back to the Camp Chef. It really doesn't take long to cook these thin patties, so this is actually going pretty quick. Today we're using the King's Hawaiian hamburger buns, which are really good. I'll go ahead and start toasting the buns for the Camp Chef burger on the Camp Chef. I'm just going to get those toasted to the toastiness I like. Once they're toasted, I'll remove them and flip the smash burgers. I'll get 1 slice of white American on the bottom patty and then a second slice of white American on the top patty. And just look at that cheese start to melt right in through the patty, and that little bit of lacy crusted cheese right on the bottom patty. We'll get the bacon on and the top bun. Now my boys like to keep it simple. They like meat, cheese, and bacon. And since they're the ones that are going to be doing this taste test, that's how I made them. No condiments. Now, as you can see, I've already toasted the King's Hawaiian for the Weber kettle burger. First, we'll get the patty on the bottom bun. We'll get the bacon on, and then the top bun. Now let's take a look to see how we did. First up, we have the Weber kettle burger, and then the Camp Chef smash burger. I'm thinking I got the patty to bun ratio just a little bit off. That's a huge patty for this size bun, but we're gonna go with it. It looks like a comforter looks on your bed, right? It's just draping over the sides. And with that, let's go to the taste test. All right, for all of you folks who don't know, this is my son Ethan, and this is my son Michael, and we're going to do a taste test on the Weber Kettle Burger and the Flat Top Burger. Okay, so let's start off with the Flat Top Burger. You want to take your water, cleanse your palate?
Yes. How do we go about this? How do we just take a bite of the burger? One.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, tell me what you think. Is it dry, juicy? Cheese is good. What?
Great crust. Surprisingly juicy.
I like how the bacon is with everything else on it.
Oh, really? Is the bacon your favorite part, or is it the beef?
It just complements everything really well.
Oh, cool.
Got super beefy flavor. Love the bacon.
What do y'all think that meat to patty ratio, man? I think I made them a little too big.
Maybe, yeah. But I'm not complaining.
All right, so overall, how is the smash burger?
On a scale of 1 to 10, probably a 9.
Wow.
Very good.
What do you think, Ian?
I'd say it's definitely above an 8.5.
All right, cool.
Well, all right.
So let's try the Weber Kettle Burger. Now, it looks like it's nice and medium.
Yeah.
How do y'all like it with the Hawaiian rolls?
Oh, I love the sweetness.
It's very, very good bread.
Really good with the beef smokiness. Hold on, let me. I like the straw. Can we do this more? I have to eat.
No.
Oh.
Man, this video was hard to film, guys. It was the hardest one yet. So, out of both burgers, guys, which ones do y'all like the best?
I like the flat top burger more than I like the Weber burger.
I would have to agree.
You like the flat top burger too?
Yes.
Flat top burger.
Now, Ethan, earlier, like you were kind of like the half smash. You didn't like it all the way smashed, but now you like completely smashed burger, or did I just do it better than Michael?
You just did it better than Michael. But I still do like the half smash burgers better.
It's kind of greasy, but I think that's part of the experience, and I think the Hawaiian roll also works a lot better with the smash burger thing. It's like the sweetness and like a lot of meat flavor. You need that sweetness to.
You can
Awesome.
You can also taste the bacon on this one more than you can on this one.
Oh, really? Okay, well, that probably makes some sense because the coals and the wood that I had in there gives it a lot of flavor, so it will hide the flavor of that bacon a little bit more than the flat top. But overall, would you eat them both?
Yeah, I'll eat them
Yes.
both. Yeah, I'm gonna.
And there you have it. Looks like the flat top burger wins. Thank you for watching a View to a Grill. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Take care, y'all.